Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to make money on YouTube in 2022. The growing creator economy has turned up some diverse ways to make money on YouTube. And while some methods offer a lower barrier to entry than earning through ads, there is no substitute for quality content and engaged audience. How to get paid on YouTube. Number 1 method: reach 1k subscriber and apply for the YouTube partner program. Let's get this one out of the way first. The biggest hurdle to joining the YouTube partner program is surpassing the 1000 subscriber threshold. Once you do, it opens the door to earning advertising revenue. Your video must abide by the site's advertising guidelines and have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours within the last 12 months. You need a link, a Google AdSense account. Once you meet the requirement, you can apply by clicking into your profile and navigating to the monetization section. How many views on YouTube does it make to make money? You don't get paid per video view, rather than you are paid for the time when someone watches or clicks on an ad shown on your video. So when do you start making money on YouTube? You would be paid once your balance reaches $100. Say it takes approximately 1000 videos views to earn $4 from those viewers who saw ads. You would need 25,000 videos views to make $100 through those ads. If you have a small channel, you might get paid only every few months. You will also want to be familiar with how Google will issue AdSense payment. The second method is become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing might be the most practical way to monetize your YouTube traffic, especially if you plan to make product review videos. It works like this. Once accepted, you will use their process to create custom links to products you plan to feature in your videos. As an affiliate of a brand, you will earn a commission when a viewer clicks your custom link and purchases the product. Do not forget to properly notify your viewers about your affiliation with the brand or brands featured, and be sure to point them to the link of description when you shoot your video. The third method is create sponsored content through brand deals. Landing a brand deal, also a form of affiliate marketing, is another way to get paid on YouTube. Company interested in your channel audience might sponsor your videos or offer your product placement deal in exchange of a shout out. With brand deals, you can receive lump sum payments, earn commission on a per sale basis, or get the product or service for free. Keep in mind, if you do have an endorsement or use product placement in a video, you must notify your YouTube by ticking a box in the advanced settings tab of your video manager to indicate your video contains paid promotion. Number 4 method is create and sell your own product or merchandise. If you have merchandise or offer a service that is relevant to your audience, let know about it and provide links in your video. For example, create Mark's Brownlee, a popular tech review channel. Leave a link to this online of t-shirts and accessories in every video he posts. Incentive to sell. While creating your own product can be a lot harder than pitching those of other companies, you could stand to make more money in this way, since you will keep the bulk of your proceeds as a product owner. Number 5th method is turn to crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is another monetization method you can use to keep your channel going. There are two primary types of crowdfunding: recurring and project based. In the former, which is better suited for content creator fans of the channel, pay a small subscription fee for perks and an exclusive tier of access. More subscribers mean more revenue. Incentives such as one video chats, private classes, or merchandise can entice viewers to sign up. Now the question is how much money you can make on YouTube. The question is complicated one. Like the breakout brands and artists that strike the right chord and amass an exponential fan base, YouTube stars with millions of followers tend to make the most, easy reaching seven figures. According to the Forbes creating Steven John of the Hungry Popular Skills channel, Billips earned $17 million in 2020, in large part from the 8.2 million views and 27.4 million subscribers he is racked up on YouTube. That kind of success is more the exception than the rule, but don't let that discourage for you. Now, earn an audience and earn more in the long run. YouTube offers opportunity for all, but it is not a get-rich-quick platform. It takes time, effort, and engaged audience to make money on YouTube. The good news is, with a little motivation and a lot of practice, you can find ways to earn before the coveted 1000 subscriber threshold. Keep these tips in the mind as you get started. The more videos you make and upload, the easier it is to reach the viewing over threshold. The better you target your content to a specific audience or niche, e.g., film, photography, the more likely your viewers will be the subscribe for more. Thoughtful, entertaining videos are more likely to go get views, so it pays to put effort into planning and production. Do not discount the power of a targeted title and standout thumbnails to attract viewer attention. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.